thank you so much for clicking on the video. We're going to talk about different ways that maybe you can get some friends that might be a positive in your life. Number one is going to be getting involved in something that you really enjoy, like such as a club, sport, something like that. For me personally, that looks like jiu-jitsu. The guys at jiu-jitsu are really something that I really cherish in my life, and I know that are a positive for me and the things that I want to do. And I just happen to know that they're not going to steer me wrong, because in a combat sport we're more like brothers instead of just friends or companions or something like that. So that's number one. Number two is going to be to just find people that are involved in things that you're interested in, maybe that are not sports or things like that. An example might be school, might be a good example. Let's just say, like, I'm a business major. Let's just say that you graduated with your business degree, but while you were in school, you got involved in all kinds of different business clubs and things like that. You're going to have relationships with those people for like a very, very, very long time. So that is another way to get very, very close friends, or people that are more like brothers and sisters. And another really important thing is the people that you work with. That should be a very well-rounded work relationship, but at the same time, that needs to be those are people that you should be able to trust with, the work that you guys are doing. So there's 3 ways that you might be able to find some people that align with your goals. And if you guys are interested, check out the video previous. It kind of talks about friends as well. So just let me know what you think.